Welcome to the UTC Fine Arts Center, where creativity comes to life across the three distinct departments: theater, music, and visual arts. Each space you'll see is not only where our students showcase their work and build their portfolios, but also where they engage with the professionals of the world of the arts. These venues are where creativity gets real and careers are born. From each student productions to performances by local and visiting artists, this is where talent steps up to the big stage. Here we are in the Roland W. Hayes Concert Hall, named after Roland Hayes, a trailblazing tenor and the first Black concert artist to gain international acclaim. This 500-seat hall is UTC's primary music venue, hosting more than 200 events each year, including student recitals, concerts, and major university events. With its professional acoustics and seating, students learn and perform in an environment that reflects the concert halls they aim to command one day. Next, we step into the Dorothy Hackett Ward Center, named after a visionary professor and department head who left a lasting impact on UTC's theater program. This 320-seat venue is where a university theater company stages 4 major productions each year, offering students hands-on experience in every facet of theater. Connected to the theater are our scene and prop shops, and just as crucial, the costume shop, where we'll take a closer look at how students bring characters to life through design. The ward equips students with experience they need for professional stages ahead, including the business side of theater. Welcome to George Ayers Kress Gallery, the heart of our visual arts program. This gallery showcases a rotating selection of exhibitions featuring student, faculty, and visiting artists. The space also hosts the John and Diane Merrick Visiting Artist Series, and also home to the Institute of Contemporary Art Chattanooga, a vital part of UTC's connection to a broader world. In addition to hands-on creative work, our students gain essential skills in the business of art, learning how to navigate galleries, manage exhibitions, and understand the commercial aspects of their craft. Alongside the Kress Gallery, students also work in smaller gallery spaces and studios, where they experiment and refine their techniques in more intimate settings. These professional spaces that make up the UTC Fine Arts Center are more than just classrooms. They're where UTC students learn, create, and prepare for their future in the arts.